Kikena kidon kam bandan bakmi ekabha kamiat bat kejing shingan bat kumjo iki hok jongki haki babun kikap. Na kebenta kani kedan kakunhon kebetrei na kebenta kikena ya kebelatep kum ka CHILDLINE. Bat menta kesnem kelekenjo syakalai posnem ha kejingya linti jongka ban ai jing syakri. Shibenta ban pensana menu maumer ha kini ketayo la rakhe kerpang ru ya kini kejingya linti ya kebala penlong ha kasi balang jong ketayo ha Bosco Integrated Development Society Shillong kabadan Hanong Shiliang Hanong Temai. Ya kini kejing rakyat ya kini kesini la penlong dekat CHILDLINE Shillong bat ke Bosco Integrated Development Society Shillong ya ke belakar candu dekat tenat Women and Child Development jong ke Sarkar Pedeng. Bat ke mat Pedeng jong kejing rakyat kedai Does My Childhood Matter. Ha kini kejing rakyat ya kini kesini le dan rengkat ru ulam pangging dorbar tauan kejela uba amet ba lengdo ubla long kongsan rengkat ke Syong Kenor jong ke Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ikong Mina Kharkongor kum ke Sumbut Kongsan. Bat kiwede ki officer sarkar ke belah syakot sengubha syakene kejing yalang. Bat ki kena ke belah wani syempenta syakene kejing rakhe ki dei ki banagi yingri konswet na keleng kejela Meghalaya. Hakene kejing yalang ki kenrem ki lendan ki samru iki kusnam syakinong job kejing kop boper bal penlong haswa jungane kesni. Kentup kejing kop drodur bat kiwe.
We are not saying just for the sake of saying, but you are the future of the next generation. You are the future of the next generation. You will be the director of one of the society or organization or NGO. You will be one of the very important person one day. You will play a very, very important role when you grow up. In my constituency also you have villages that you have adopted to find out and look out for those children who are in need of our help. It is true, but not only in my constituency, it is for the entire state, for the entire Northeast, whatever missions that you have. It is very true, especially for those children or families who are in the rural areas.